Do you want to know how you can change your currency on Remitly? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your currency on Remitly. Go ahead and open Remitly, which is on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store now. After you install it, open Remitly. Then go to Manage on the bottom right hand side and click on Profile. After you click on Profile, scroll a bit down and you can see the Sending From option. Go ahead and tap on it. So go ahead and change on this option. So what you can do is go to Manage, go to Profile and click on Sending From over here. So if this option is not there yet, you can close the app and reset the app as well. So let's go ahead and reset Remitly. Go ahead and go to Settings, click on First Stop, go to Storage and click on Clear Data. Click on Delete. Let's go ahead and open Remitly again. So go ahead and click on Continue. If you already have your profile, click on I already have a profile. Go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, click on Create a Profile and you can see the From option. What you can do is select your location. After you select your location, you can see which country you want to choose your account to. So after you do so, what you can do is create a profile. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and write down your email address. After you do so, write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon over here. Go ahead and click Login and click Continue. So you can enable your biometrics. Go ahead and select biometrics. Tap on your screen. Wait for a while. Click on Allow and you can see that your currency has been changed. So guys, this is how easy it is to change your currency on Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.